Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Pam and I do lots of DIYs and random videos. Sorry, still having a cold. So today, another no-sew video with this top I have had for like 2 years now, and it has started fading around the armpits, down here, it's looking, let's revamp it. So first thing I'll do, lay it down flat like that while it is inside out. Why are people making noise? Anyway, then I am going to, so this is the front of the top, this is the back. So first thing, I want to get rid of the sleeves. So what I'll do is just put my 2 fingers like this here from the end of the sleeve here, like that, and also on this other end like that, and then I'm just going to cut the sleeve and extend it to this mark. Yeah, I hope you can see that. I'm going to cut it like that. So let's do that. So remember, this is still the front of the top. So we'll turn it to the back. Then since this bottom part is also faded, I'm just going to cut like that. Remove the sleeves, I cut the bottom, and then now I want to cut a line just after the collar. We go down like this. I'm not sure if this is the center, but I've just eyeballed it. I hope it's the center. So for it to have that bareback effect, I'm going to just expand this opening so you can cut it in sort of a triangle. I hope you get what I'm saying. And there you go, and we will be done. So let's put it on. So you'll have something like this. So let me show you how I'm gonna put it on. So if I put it on, I have something like this. Yeah. So I'm just going to take this, fold, so that it's kind of a cropped top, like that, and then tie a knot at the back. So like that. So I end up with this cute top. I like it. So if you want, you can also do like a v-neck or something, but I like my tops like this. Yeah, I feel like it's cute. Yeah. So that was it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps boost my channel. Comment down below and subscribe to this YouTube channel and share with your friends if you find this helpful. And see you in my next video. Bye guys.